Hello guys, thanks for coming to my channel. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And today in this video, you're going to learn how to earn $25 over and over again and earn some free PayPal money that you will want to get. Okay guys? And if you stick around for the whole video, you're going to learn how you could turn this entire thing into a full-blown online business and earn some real serious online income, guys. Okay? Okay, guys. So the first site that I want to show you where you can earn $25 over and over again is actually on this shopping site called Rakuten. Okay? Rakuten, this is how you pronounce it right here. Okay, however you want to say it, it's awesome. This site is actually used to be called Ebates, ebates.com, and Ebates was a huge online shopping site where you can get cash back from all your online shopping efforts. Okay, so Rakuten is a new company, new brand. They have rebranded with this new name, and I don't know about you guys, but I've actually seen them having TV commercials for this site. So this is a big marketing company that has come and bought ebates.com, and now they're taking over. And so I've also noticed all their cashback has like more than double. Some of them have double or more than double, and so giving people even more cash back on this site. So this has been a great change for what it was called Ebates, because now this company has taken over and now is offering people even more cash back, which is really awesome. So where the $25 come in is you can refer people. See, this is the refer and earn program. Give $10 and get 25. So what this means is that you're going to invite friends. Now, stay tuned, okay? I'm going to give you a free email template so that you can email your friends very easily. You're just going to have to copy and paste my email and then just edit the names, and then you can send it off to your friends to get referrals, okay? And to sign up for this Rakuten, the link is in the video description below. Once you log in or sign up, you're going to go to the refer and earn page, copy your referral link, and then what happens is when people sign up with your referral link and they start shopping on this site, then that's how you're going to get your $25. But they need to do it at a certain time, because look at the bottom here. Here you have your referral activity, and what it says down here is that this 25 referral bonus is only applicable or qualified if this is done during up to August 31st, 2019. So in this part of the year right now, we're in early July, so you have about 2 months for you to quickly get this out there and refer. But I know these guys will not stop after August 31st. So they may just change the amount. They may stay the same. They may go up. They may go down. We don't know, okay? But a lot of these referral programs for sites like these, they do change, and they do have a referral period where they have a certain amount that you can earn. So as of right now, you have about 2 months to get enough referrals so that you can start earning some $25 over and over again, as long as you can get a bunch of people signing up with your link. Now, I'm going to give you my free email template. I'm going to show you right now what that looks like. So this link to this free email template is going to be in the link in the video description below as well, okay? So you could use this to just copy this email and just change the name here, put in your referral link here, and then put your name here. That's it. You will just send this off. So what does it say? Hi friend, have you been doing a lot of shopping online? If you are, you are missing out if you're not shopping through this one website that gives you cash back from your shopping efforts. You can get cash back anywhere from 1% to even 40% depending on what you buy. So it's like getting savings without having to use coupons or wait for sales. Although they actually offer other promotions as well with exclusive coupons and more. This is a great site if you do a lot of shopping. They even have in-store shopping options as well if you're doing shopping at the mall. Anyway, sign up here. So this is where you're gonna put that referral link that I showed you, and you can even get $10 bonus for just signing up after you made your first purchase through this awesome site. It's a win-win. Hurry though, because this $10 bonus offer expires soon. Let me know what you think, and then you're going to put your name there. You see, the people that you refer for this program is going to give them $10 if they shop after they sign up. So they have a huge incentive for them to get that $10, okay? So for you to refer other people, you really do want them to shop through the site so that you can earn your $25, but you also want to encourage them to earn extra $10 for doing basically nothing, right? Just signing up, very simple thing, okay? So here's another one, like even other sites like Fiverr.com or any kind of service, they always have some kind of referral program. But here, this one, you can invite friends and get up to $100, okay? So this one is 3 easy steps. You do spread word by email, and you already got part of the email. I mean, you got my template. You could just edit that email for this site. You just gotta learn what this is. This is a freelancing site, so people come here to get all these services done for them, and people who actually do the services come here to make money offering these services. So you can ask people who, if you know people who need services like this, who need to buy services like this, just come over here and refer people to here. When you refer people, they get 20% off of their first purchase, and you get 20% of their first order, okay? And you can make up to $100 this way for each referral that you bring into this one website. So I'm just kind of giving you ideas of how referring works, okay? And what I'm really alluding to now is affiliate marketing, okay? This affiliate marketing is actually the business model that I've been using since 2016 now to earn my online income, okay, guys? And what affiliate marketing is basically earning commissions for referring other people to other people's products or services. So if you generate sales for other brands and companies, you will earn commissions. And this is what I've been using since 2016 to be generating a full-time online income with it. And how I got started with this business is by taking up proper training and learning from the right place. And that is at Wealthy Affiliate, guys. So this is the exact training that I've used to learn how to build workanywherenow.com. Okay, so my website, my blog website is about how to make money online. So I teach people all the different ways that you could make money online. And so that's my business. So if you like to refer other people to different shopping sites, your website could be about different ways to make money from cashing, like getting cash back from shopping. You could have a very niche site like that, or you could have it something like mine too. You could just show other people how to make money online and also recommend Wealthy Affiliate, because recommended Wealthy Affiliate also earns you recurring commissions, guys. So if I'm referring you to Wealthy Affiliate, then that means that if you sign up and actually pay for the training, I will get recurring commissions as long as you stay as a member on Wealthy Affiliate. Okay, so you see how this could be a much bigger business than just the initial beginning of this video where you think that you're just going to earn $25 over and over again. But if you build this business properly, you are going to be earning a lot more, guys. Like you're talking about serious full-time income that you can depend on, and you can earn passive income that you can enjoy while you're sleeping, playing, or on vacation, or spending time with your family. This is the business model that can give you time back, guys, okay? Because this business model allows you to work on your own schedule, but earn at any time of the day. So you can earn passively this way and make an online income to give you more freedom with your time and work as you wish, guys, okay? Why do I mention this? But you can start here for free. You see how there's no credit card required below here to sign up. You just need to enter your email here and then start get onto the platform and start learning, because when you're with your free account, you get the first level of 5 levels free. And you also, with you signing up with me with my link, which is workanywherenow.com/team little mama. If you use my link, you're gonna see my little picture here on the Wealthy Affiliate website, so you know that you got the right link. All right. And once you have me on this picture, that means if you sign up with me, I'm going to help you for free inside Wealthy Affiliate. Okay. They've taught me so well that I've reached such a level that I'm a super affiliate. So I can really help you on this platform as I understand this business. I kind of know how the training works, how to apply the training. So if you have any questions about the training and the knowledge that you're learning from here, I could easily give you more explanation and kind of teach you how to apply it to your business. Okay, so I do this for free for all my premium referrals, so it's free to check out, but you really need premium to get all the training that you need to build this business properly. And this is something I've been doing since 2016 again, guys, and you can verify everything on my profile once you log in for free. Okay, once you log in, type on the search bar Little Mama and you're gonna find me. Look at my profile, look at my blogs on my profile. You can see how much money I've been making on there. All my income proof is on there, guys. Okay, so I hope you will join me. This is a great way to make money online. I really love it. I've been doing this for the last few years, like I was saying, and it has really given me a way to make money as a stay-at-home mom and still take care of the kids and the family, and it's awesome. I really love it. So I hope you'll join me, guys. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please give me a subscribe so you can learn more about affiliate marketing, how to use this business to make money online, and other ways to make money online you can learn. So please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I do produce several videos a week, so please come back and check it out. And I hope you will learn something, guys. All right, so I'll see you on the next one. Bye.